Hello children, today we'll learn the use of formula and function. As last time I have shown you in the presentation, how are we going to use a function and a formula is what we will see today, okay, in this class. A function, it is a pre-built formula in Excel, so we will directly work it on Excel and then we will see how exactly this thing can be done. This was an example how I have done. Suppose we have calculated monthly shopping in Excel and all these things I have written, and in this particular cell number C7 I wrote equal to sum, and then I wrote C3 comma C4 comma C5 comma C6. Why did I wrote this is we should not write the values which are written here inside this. You should not write equal to sum inside bracket. You should not write 250 or 150. You should write the location of the things that you wanted to add. Okay, like 250 is written on cell number C3. Similarly, this is C4, C5. So once you write all these things and press the enter key, as you press the enter key, you will see that you will get an answer called answer of all these things, the total of all these things. So this is how we can do it. Let's now practically do it and understand. Let's open Excel. This is another sheet. I've made another thing. Let's make it bold so that it looks a bit much more better. Now I'm going to write total over here. Total, sorry, spelling mistake. Total, and now I'm going to write equal to sum, or there is another way is the standard way, that is go to this particular place, formula tab, and click on insert function. Here more commonly you will the more commonly used functions will be listed, so you can click on sum. You will get this window. Here you have to specify what values you wanted to add. It is already taking C3, which is here, all the way to C6. So you have to drag from here to here and press the OK key. Once you press the OK key, you will see that the formula is automatically written. But you can see that it is written colon sign here. It is taking colon sign here. Colon sign means all the way from this cell to this cell. Now you know the meaning of cell. Cell means this, and you can also see the cell address over here. Like if your cell pointer, this is called cell pointer, which you can move by clicking or by using the arrow keys, and then you can see that it is visible over here. Okay, so this is how we use the sum function to calculate or to add any specific given values. Now suppose we wanted to add these all things, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is all very simple, right? But suppose if the question is 1.348 and 2.567 and 3. Now can you add this in an instance? No. We can use it by using the function equal to sum, bracket open, and then you can specify this, comma this, comma this, comma this, and then close the bracket, and once you press the enter key, you will get the answer of all these things. Okay, so there are two ways of writing the function. One, okay, let's increase the width of this cell. I'm increasing it because it should be properly visible. One, by specifying different cell addresses, like I have written A1, A4, A3, A4, A5, A6, or you can directly write in a given sequence, in a given range. If it is in a straight range, like here C3 all the way to C6, then you can write in this way. So these are the two ways of using a sum function. Okay, so this is called function. Got the point, children? Okay, we will have a class next time.